tertiary sector of an economy. It is also known as the service sector of an economy. Tertiary sector of the economy facilitates what it is called. It is called commerce in other language, or auxiliaries to trade. We can say it means the tertiary sector facilitates easy economic activity for both primary sector and secondary sector. How? Education facilities. If uh, the education is not provided, we do not have reading writing knowledge, so we cannot deal with others. So education sector expenditure or activity is under tertiary sector. Healthcare facilities, whatever government or private individuals or organization are carrying on in health sector, like hospitals. Here health sector does not mean producing medicines. Producing medicine is under secondary sector. Here healthcare facilities means the primary healthcare centers, whether it is at ward level or panchayat or city level, municipal corporation level, or block level or district level or subdivision level or state level or national level. All the hospitals, primary healthcare facilities are under service or tertiary sector. So education, health, then communication. All the communication facilities means mobile, um, speed post, parcels industries, telephones, WhatsApp. They are forwarding our messages from one place to another. So they are helping us in communication. So communication industry is under secondary sector. Then we have banking facilities, insurance facilities, banking activities helping us in transacting or dealing with money in easy way. We don't need to carry too much money along with us. So banking facilities has um, created so much ease in economic activities. All the banking facilities are under tertiary sector. Insurance facility, all the insurance business, whether they are life insurance or term insurance, they are under service or tertiary sector. Transportation facilities, whether the goods or persons are transported through aeroplanes or ships or bus or trains or car or rickshaw, they are under tertiary or service sector. In the same way, all the storage facility, means warehousing facility, godown facility, cold storage facility, they are also doing their economic activities under service or tertiary sector. Advertising agency, all the advertising agency, all the ad making companies are carrying on their economic activities under tertiary sector of the economy. Event management, all the event management companies, those are organizing our family functions or national functions or regional, religious or political or any other social functions. They are earning their livelihood through tertiary sector of an economy. So in detail I have discussed about the tertiary sector. Here tertiary sector facilitates both primary sector and secondary sector to carry out their business.